Do you ever find yourself asking someone a question that you already know the answer to? I know I do. So let me ask you, do you like bacon? My guess is you're a huge fan of it. And if you are, you're going to love what we're making today. We begin by cooking some bacon until it's crispy. Once it is, we'll set it aside. In the same skillet, with all the bacon drippings, we sear a pork butter shoulder. This is going to lock in lots of flavor and give our pork a bacony smokiness that takes this dish from good to I can't get enough of it. While this finishes up, to a slow cooker, we add some onions, cut up apples, brown sugar, a bit of salt and pepper, and the bacon that we crumbled. Now we place the pork roast on top, add some chicken broth, and apple cider vinegar, and we set it to low. Once the pork is fork tender and all the flavors come together, all that's left to do is chunk up the pork and spoon the apple onion sauce over it. This is truly a bacon lover's dream. To get the recipe for our pork with apples and bacon, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a slow and smoking good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. As good as that.